So I always get the question, what does your business do? And so Martin Mechanical Design does something called idea development. We place emphasis on ideas, creativity, and the priorities of the client to make sure that we transform their thoughts into physical existence. Every idea we attack with a 4-step process. Step number 1 is research. This is where we gather background information and become more knowledgeable. Step number 2, design. This is where we harness the powers of CAD and simulation. Step number 3, prototyping. This is where we can use our 3D printers to create semi-functional models that we can then do testing and experimentation on. Step number 4 is manufacturing. We can apply a multitude of processes such as CNC machining or injection molding so that we can arrive at your final product. Go to martinmechanicaldesign.technology and click Book Online.